everyone! Christmas time's approaching, so in today's video I'll show you how you can make your own Christmas cards. So let's get right on to the video. Card number 1 will be a 3D Christmas tree card, and for this you'll need card blanks, green crafting paper, a pair of scissors, and some extras such as pens, ink pads, sentiment stamps, or stickers. You will also need glue and a ruler. For our pop-up Christmas tree cards, we need about 5 strips of green paper, gradually going down in their width. So starting at a width of about 6 centimeters, I'm just gradually going down in the width until my thinnest strip is about 1 centimeter wide. Once the strips are all cut out, I'm going to fold them like this, so they get a zigzag or accordion shape. So what I do is that I fold one end up, then turn the strip over and fold that end down. And I go on doing this until I've folded up all my paper. Once our green papers are all folded, we'll draw a star into our card right at the center where the crease is. And color it. Like this. Now it's time to attach the tree to the card. Next we'll apply glue to one side of the smallest of our green pieces and then glue it onto the card right beneath the star. Then we take the next bit and glue it beneath that piece. We'll now go on like this until we've glued all our pieces to the card. Like this. Then again, starting with the smallest piece, we'll apply glue to the other side and squeezing it all together, we'll glue that end on the other side of the card. And again, we do this with all our branches. Fold them together and glue the other end on the opposite side. Now we'll fold our card in the middle, and as you can see, when we close the card, the tree squeezes together, and when we open it again, the tree opens as well. Next, using our pens, we're going to draw a trunk. If you like, you could also glue on a bit of brown paper. Once done, all you have to do is to decorate the card and add a message. And now our first card is finished. Next up is the Pearl and Gem Bauble card. This time you'll need a colored or black card, some adhesive gems, a pen, some ribbon, glue, and scissors. You will find a list of all the materials in the description below, so don't forget to have a look. Let's start by lightly drawing a circle in the bottom 2/3 of your card. Then we'll evenly place gems or pearls all around the circle we've marked. Done that, we'll carefully erase the lines that are still showing. And now we have the start of our bauble. Next we'll add a few more gems inside the bauble, about like this. And if you like, you can add smaller gems between the big ones. Now the bauble itself is finished. Next we'll have to cut the ribbon to size. We first take a pretty small bit, about this long, and tie it into a bow, like this. Then we'll cut off another bit of ribbon and glue it to the card. To make it appear as if the bauble was hung up by this bit of ribbon, I'll just fold back the top of the ribbon and then glue it on the card, like this. Once that's in place, we'll glue the bow here. And all that's left for us to do now is to add a message. And now project number 2 is done as well. Now for our final Christmas card. This time we are making a layer scene Christmas card. So you will need white card, some colored paper, glue, scissors, and pens or sentiment stamps and ink pads. First of all, I'll stamp some trees onto a bit of green paper using black ink. Then I'll cut it out. I'll also stamp a deer onto white paper. And cut that out as well. I will now glue the trees to the card. Then I'll cut the deer out more carefully and color it in using a brown pencil. Now I'll be gluing a frame of light blue paper over the scene. And then I'll also apply glue to the deer. And glue it on top. If you like, you can also add some stamped snowflakes. Lastly, we'll again add a message. And now this card is finished as well. Now all 3 Christmas cards are done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!